amazing how you could walk into your kitchen in the morning and get things that you can use to beautify yourself without breaking the bank? So guys, today we'll be making a video on facial scrub. It's a DIY scrub. It's very simple. We'll be using coffee and a few other ingredients for this. So please stick with me as I show you how to make this scrub. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mattie and you're highly welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you, and I'm glad you could make it back. And if you haven't joined the family yet, please make sure you do so by subscribing and also clicking on the notification bell so you get notified on when I post amazing content. So for this face scrub, we'll be using coffee as the main ingredients, and you can use anyone. This is Longbridge, this is from Longbridge, and this is Nescafe, so anyone is fine as far as it's coffee. And please, before you start, make sure you try to grind it so you have a better finer particles, so you don't give yourself scars when you're scrubbing. So, and also we'll be using honey. It's almost finished. We'll be using honey and olive oil, extra virgin or olive oil. Anyone is fine, but this one I could get around for the meantime, so you can use anyone. So let's get started. Actually, this face mask is really good if you have acne or scars on your face, because coffee is a good exfoliator. It helps exfoliate and clear scars. So if you have acne and oily skin, actually you can use this. It's really nice. It's trust me, you would like it. So guys, and honey, guys, you don't expect me to keep telling you how beneficial honey is to your skin, do you? Actually, honey is really good, so that's why we're using honey. And olive oil here helps moisturizes the skin and leave it good, supple and sweet. So that's why we need them. It's very simple. So guys, join me as I mix them together. So guys, I already mixed the one I'm using. The coffee I'll be using on inside the bowl. So I'll be adding my honey, and I'll be using a teaspoon of honey. So this is a teaspoon. I'm sorry, I'm not really good at this stuff, so let me check. Which one of them is tablespoon or a teaspoon? Okay, I'll be using 1 teaspoon of honey. And lastly, I'll be using 2 teaspoons of olive oil. So just pour it and mix them together. It's that simple. Just pour and mix. After mixing, this is what you get. You get something like this. You can mix it. Can you see? Can you see it? I'm not using much because I don't need much. So you just mix properly and make sure you apply this on a clean face. My face is already washed. I washed my face this morning, so you just have to apply them before you start scrubbing. And you don't need application brush, you need your hands. So this is the part that you need to scrub very well. And when you're scrubbing, please be careful you scrub gently on your skin so you don't leave your scar, you don't give yourself scar. And also, please be careful when scrubbing this side. You know it's made up of thin layers, so you don't want to scrub too hard. So I advise you scrub this for 1 minute, I guess 60 seconds or 40 seconds. Then you leave it on for 15 minutes as usual and wash it off. This mask really helps if you have acne. Like I said earlier, if you have acne scars, acne, it helps dry it up and also helps give you that even skin tone, makes it look fresher and better. So please, I advise you try this once a week. Is exfoliation, and it's really not so good for you to exfoliate every day. So you just do this once a week, or twice if you really have acne on your face. So you just do this twice or once a week. It's better. So that's it. Okay, this is me after 15 minutes. My hands is still dirty, please don't forgive me. I scrub my lips, but it's bitter. Don't try it, trust me. You will not like it at all. So I'll go wash it off and come back and tell you and give you the intel. You know, I just finished washing off my face. I just rinsed it off with water and soap, and this is it. Like, my face feels really soft and smooth. Oh please, if I would advise you use this, you try this when you want to bathe, because as you can see I have stains here. So you just try it when you're about to bathe and scrub your face, and don't scrub too hard. And it's totally normal for you to have kind of red spots or red stuffs on your face after scrubbing. Of course, it's exfoliation, so it's normal, especially when you're fair or when you're light skinned. So that's fine. Please, like I said earlier, try this mask once a week, or you can as well do twice depending on your skin condition. And this mask help with acne. Trust me, it's really good. And thanks for watching. We've come to the end of the video. Please don't forget to subscribe on your way out, and also in the comment section I'll be waiting for you guys there. Please don't forget to drop your comments if you tried this at home, and give your review about it if you liked it. And also don't forget your moisturizer. It's really important to moisturize your skin after exfoliation, after anything you're doing on your face. So moisturize your skin, and don't forget to test patch before you try it on your face. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye. Peace.